Hey everybody, welcome to another Function Fridays brought to you by the amazing QTPtutorial.net. I am very excited to have everybody here today because I'm going to show you another phenomenal function that you guys can use for the rest of your automation careers. So let's get started right away. Today, I want to show you guys a function I call backup folder contents. Now, this function will actually not be using QTP, and we're going to use VBScript in order to schedule automated backups of our contents of a certain folder. And that's what this function is here to do. Now, some of you guys may be going crazy right now and realizing that, oh my God, he may not use QTP. Yes, I'm here to break the news to you guys that automation, especially if you know VBScript, can extend far beyond the usage of QTP. Automation, because you know VBScript, you can actually take control of the whole Microsoft system and you can do almost anything you desire in there. At a future lessons, I will show you guys the powers of VBScript. But today, you'll just get a small little taste. So let's begin. I'm going to pull up one of my favorite editors called VBS Edit. It is very advantageous because if you don't have QTP available, you can still very easily design your scripts in here without needing QTP. And you guys will see some of its awesome features as we go through it. So let me start by writing the function. Up there, I already made a function call to it just to save you guys some time and leave more time for explanations. Okay? We're going to pass two parameters to it. I'm going to call it, this is the folder that you want to back up. And this is where you want to back up your folder. Okay, let me declare some variables. Okay, now let's create a file system object. Okay, this will allow us to handle files and folders within Microsoft's Windows, okay? Now I want to do one thing, and this will allow me to pick up all of the files from whatever folder the user decides to specify. Now, we need to create a unique timestamped folder so that every time we make a backup, nothing is overwritten and we have the exact date of when we made the backup. And you guys may have noticed I have this function here. I actually wrote it in one of our videos. If you are interested in seeing it, you can go and watch a Test Design Studio video where I designed this function. And of course, this is where it becomes amazing. We've only been through a few videos, guys, but you can see how now I'm starting to reuse everything that I created. And you can imagine if you're an automation engineer, after a little bit of time, for you it becomes so easy because anything you need to do, it's already ready for you and good to go. You just reuse and you will be super fast and efficient. That's what I aim to help you guys do. Okay, next step. We need to check to make sure that the folder that we want to back up to actually exists. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Now, let's do this. Check it out, guys. You will get to see some cool stuff from VBS Edit. Yes, see that? It also has an IntelliSense, and it's very useful to help you know what to do. And it's so easy. Look, you can easily just browse the methods and check it out all. Look, a folder exists method. Exactly what I want. And let's see what parameters you pass to it. Look at that. Folder spec. Check if a path exists. Okay? And what folder do I want to check if it exists? Well, this one, where we want to back up to. And if that's false, then look at that. Let's create a folder. So simple, huh? And then the path, the same path that we were checking for. Super simple, guys. I do my best to make these functions as easy and intuitive for you guys as I can. Now, we are almost done with this. Now, the folder's created. What's left? Just to move the contents. That's it. Okay. Let's see what method we can use. Oh my gosh, check it out, guys. There's a copy folder method. I think I will use it. Let's see the parameters. Oh, okay, there's a source and a destination. Piece of cake. So our source is the folder that we want to back up, and our destination is the backed up folder path with the timestamp. Okay, that's it, guys. Let me just go ahead and clean up. We are done. I mean, I'm gonna definitely run it just to make sure I don't have any errors, but that's our function from here. Okay, so let me show you what it would actually do. So check it out, guys. I have this Mercury Tours folder here, and it has some stuff in it. And I want this backed up on a daily basis. Let's say at 2 a.m. every day when nobody else is working, we can have our computers working for us. That's the beauty of automation, in that you can have your scripts running around the clock, doing so much work, if designed correctly. And that's what I'm here to help you do, is become the best automation engineer. And trust me, you're gonna shatter so many minds when you show people that you know something just beyond QTP, where you can actually manage administrative systems, and you can do things such as backing up folders, cleaning things up, dealing with the registry, and so on and so forth. It all means a higher paycheck, and it all means a happier team, happier management, and a more satisfactory career for you. Anyways, sorry I got off on a tangent. So I want to back up this folder here, right? And I want to move it to this backups folder, okay? And this is where, let's say I was backing up some other folders, I would move everything there. So let's go ahead and run it. And I'm just going to pause here just to show you guys what VBS Edit can do. And look, you can run your scripts from VBS Edit right here. I ran, and it says script completed. And it did not complete correctly. Do you guys see this? Exit code 1. That means there was an error. Check it out. VB script compilation error, expected end of statement. Over here on line 9, character 54. Yes, guys, I make mistakes. Everybody makes mistakes. It's okay. Don't worry about it. That's the point of being a good developer. You just go ahead, you figure out where the mistake is, and you fix it. And I already noticed it, that it was here. I just forgot the ampersand to concatenate all of this together. Let's go ahead and try again. Awesome. It almost ran. Now it stopped here at a breakpoint. I just wanted to show you guys a few cool features of VBS Edit. It is one of my favorite tools, and I use it every single day. And it only costs $60 for the whole license. So it's definitely worth it, and I would highly recommend it to bring your guys' skills up to the next level. So here you can see some variables So for example, our backed up folder path consists of this, and the folder that we want to back up is here. If we had more variables, we could see them all. We could see the objfso and all of its methods. Very great utility. Very clean, very light. I love it. Okay, let me finish up. It was paused. Check it out. Exit code 0. Now we are good. Let's go check out our folders. Okay, so now in backups, I should have something that says Mercury Tours with a timestamp. Let's see if it worked. Oh, look, it did. So awesome. Let me go inside. Okay, looks like we have all the stuff that I had before in the Mercury Tours. Very good. Let's say I wanted to back up Yahoo. I can very easily do so. This is the folder that I want to back up. Let me specify this up here. And then here is the path where the file should go. And I don't want to name it Mercury Tours. I want to name it Yahoo because we're backing up Yahoo. Okay? Let's try it again. Just run it. And we have an error. Let me check. Okay, guys. Sorry, I took a quick second to figure out the issue so that I don't waste your time. But basically it has to do with the fact that I'm backing up to a shared drive and there's a minor delay of when this is created. And by the time it's created and it actually syncs into the shared drive, this is too fast. And so it says the folder is not found. But really it is. And then it takes a little bit more time to create. And only then it can be backed up. So don't worry about it. Everything will be fine. But I hope you understand why this function is so great. Now, let me take it one step further and show you one more thing. At this point, you can go ahead and pull up Task Scheduler. You can go in here and you can create a basic task. When you create this basic task, you can schedule it, for example, for 2 a.m. And now your script will run every day at 2 a.m., backing up whatever folders you want. You can do this for your entire team, and everybody's going to be so happy because you'll help them manage these kinds of tasks. Okay? That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's function because it is extremely amazing and very useful. You're going to impress everybody when you are not only capable of automating QTP, but you can also automate the Microsoft Windows system. That is what automation is, guys. If you want to be really useful to your company, you need to learn what I'm teaching you here. You need to learn to be better than other automation engineers so that you can excel and so that you can have job safety. Okay, guys? I can't tell you how many times I've encountered individuals who only know how to use QTP. And when you ask them to do something in VBScript, they don't even realize that they can transfer their QTP knowledge of VBScript to the actual Microsoft system. My God, it's pretty crazy, but it's the real world. And that's why I'm here to make you guys better. Anyway, thank you all for tuning in. Let me know anything that you guys want me to make for you. Any kind of concerns, videos, questions. I'll do my best to take care of it all. And just remember, guys, you can subscribe to my channel. You'll get these Function Fridays videos every Friday, and you'll get to impress your coworkers for the rest of your life. All right, take care. Have a great day. Hope to see you all next time.